Hey guys, it's Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to today's video about the best portable air conditioners. Watch until the end to know which is our best recommendation from the list. And our list begins with Media Duo 12,000 BTU. This air conditioner offers a better cooling performance than rival brands while being energy efficient and being quieter as well. Media incorporates an inventive duo hose design when creating this efficient air conditioner. The unique design enables the air conditioner to intake and exhaust air outdoors. This portable air conditioner balances air circulation in a room, preventing hot air from getting in through tiny gaps around windows and doors. This air conditioner also features variable speed inverter technology, which enables it to achieve a better cooling performance with significantly less electricity than other portable units. This air conditioner saves north of 40% energy compared to the federal standards. The air conditioner's duo hose design and efficient air duct system work together to lock in and maximize cooling in a room. We were really impressed by the Media's exceptional cooling performance in our tests. Therefore, with this air conditioner, you'll enjoy a stronger indoor cooling experience. Another plus to owning this air conditioner is that it produces very little noise during operation. It offers you as low as 42 decibels when on, which is very quiet. During our test, we were impressed because the room was as quiet as a library despite the air conditioner being in full thrust. I also loved its smart home features. You can control the unit through your smartphone or voice assistant, like Alexa or Google Assistant. LG LP1419 IVSM. The air conditioner by LG Electronics is another excellent option if you're looking for an efficient AC to regulate the temperature in your house or office. During our test, this air conditioner proved to be one of the best portable ACs on the market today. It features a top-mounted fan and a built-in hose. The fan makes the AC sound as if breathing in and out. It features an effective inverter power compressor that optimizes its cooling performance. This air conditioner keeps a room's temperature down and is spectacular at doing away with humidity. It's also quieter than other air conditioners from rival brands. The AC handles an area of more than 500 square feet efficiently. Lastly, this AC comes with smart home features. We could control the unit via a smartphone and voice assistant, which was very impressive. Frigidaire GHPC Portable Air Conditioner. The Frigidaire GHPC Portable Air Conditioner is highly impressive due to its low volume performance and its ability to maintain your desired steady temperature in the entire space. This Frigidaire unit comes with a 13,000 BTU cooling capacity, ensuring a constant chill in the room. When using this air conditioner, you can connect the Frigidaire app with your Wi-Fi to enable that you can cool your house at any time from anywhere through your smart device. Its filter is washable and very easy to clean. It collects dust from the air, ensuring the air conditioner doesn't get clogged and keeps on working efficiently. When the dust has accumulated, you can clean the washable filter easily. This Frigidaire unit also has a built-in air ionizer, which helps to minimize airborne particles in the room. This improves your comfort since the air is much cleaner. Additionally, the dehumidifying dry capability helps to keep your space comfortable, as it helps to remove excess moisture from the air. This air conditioner also comes with a remote control ability that helps you control the fan speed and temperature from across the house. It's also portable and you can easily move it with the handles and caster wheels. Black & Decker Portable Air Conditioner. The Black & Decker Portable Air Conditioner does not only deliver in cooling performance, but it's also highly affordable. And it has a 14,000 BTU cooling capacity that maintains the required chill throughout the room. This air conditioner boasts impressive features, including a slide-out washable filter that's easy to clean, a 24-hour timer ensuring that your room remains cool for long periods of time, and automatic water evaporation mode. Additionally, it's a 3-in-1 air conditioner that comes with a fan, dehumidifier, and remote control to adjust your temperature from across the room. The top of the air conditioner is mounted with a control panel that has an LED display for easy navigation and use. Installing an air conditioner can be a daunting task, and Black & Decker makes it easy for you with a window kit that's easy to install. It has a vented and large airflow outlet that brings in cold air that bypasses window installation. The air conditioner is also highly portable, and you can move it from one room to another with bottom casters and side handles hassle-free. Which is the best one? The Media Duo 12,000 BTU is the best portable air conditioner. It has a better cooling performance. Also, it's the most energy efficient from the bunch. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching, and let us know which video you would like to see next from us.